In this question, we have Community Day and Young House is selling 50 raffle tickets. Okay, 50. And the tickets are drawn at random, and the important thing to know here is without replacement. So basically, if a person draws a ticket, they don't put it back in the box or the place where they're drawing the tickets from. Okay. This person here buys 5 tickets. Okay. And so we're going to see what their probability is of winning on each of the 3 draws there. First, second, and third draw. Okay. So we start the raffle and there's 50 tickets left. Okay. And so on the left there where it says win, that branch there, the person has 5 tickets, so actually they have a chance of winning of 5 out of 50. Okay, but losing on the right will be 45 out of 50. Okay, why is that the case? Why do we have these numbers? So 5 possible chances of winning because we have 5, or that person has 5 tickets out of a total of 50 tickets, okay? But it means that they have 45 out of 50 of losing, okay? What's the relationship between this 5 out of 50 and 45 out of 50? You know, if we're picking the win or loss, okay, the fraction needs to add up to 50 out of 50, okay, 100%, okay? So that's where we have that, okay? So moving down after the first draw, let's look at what happens here if we have 1 on the first draw and there's a chance of winning on the second or losing on the second. Okay, we've got without replacement, so there's actually only 49 tickets remaining. Okay, so what happens if we've got a win-win? Okay, well, this tree diagram is showing that there was 5 tickets on the first draw, and if this person won, okay, there's only 4 possible chances of them winning out of 49 on the second draw, okay, which means we've got 45 chances of losing or not winning. So we need to have 4 out of 49 and 45 out of 49 to add up to 49 out of 49. Okay. Let's go over to the right. So what happened if this person lost on the first? Okay, let's see what happens if they either win on the second or lose on the second. Okay, again, we have 49 tickets remaining. Okay, and you know, if they've lost the first and won the second, so we're looking at this part here, there's still 5 chances of winning. So we've got a probability on that event of 5 out of 49, okay, which is 44 out of 49 there for a loss, okay. Just recall that we have to have these two highlighted in yellow adding up to 100% or 49 out of 49, okay. Let's go down to we've done our first round and our second round. Let's go to our third round. So let's start here on the very left here. Okay, so we started with 50 tickets, then we went to 49, and now we have 48 tickets remaining. Okay, so what happens if we follow this very, very left pathway here? Okay, firstly, we had 5 out of 50 chance. If we won, there's now 4 chances of winning on the one I've just highlighted. And now this one here, from the second to the third draw, there's only 3 possible ways of winning. Okay, so we've got here, if I highlight, we've got this pattern of 5 chances of winning, 4 chances of winning, and 3 chances of winning there. Okay. And working with these two now, so we've got 3 out of 48 on the left, and on the right must be how many out of 48 to get both of them to add to 48 out of 48? 45 out of 48. Okay. let's now look at the next pathway here. Okay. Again, we've got 48 tickets remaining. All right. So if we follow the pathway here highlighted, where the first draw we won, the second draw we lost, and then the third draw we won, how many possible chances of winning have we got left? We've got 4, okay? Because what we can see is the person won here with, they've got 5 tickets with 5 possible chances of winning, and now 4, okay? Now, what happens on the right side there? Okay, 4 out of 48 plus what out of 48 will get to 48 out of 48. Okay, so we've got 44 out of 48. Okay, and so just recalling, 4 and 44 is 48. 48 out of 48. Okay, 100%. Chance of either one of those two. Okay, let's move down here to the next one. Okay, just here. So we're going to follow what happens if we've lost 1 and 1. Okay, so we've got 48 tickets remaining again. So we had, in this one highlighted here, if we had 5 chances of winning, and we won there, then we've only got 4 chances of winning down on the third draw. And then when we look at both fractions here, 4 out of 48 plus something out of 48 will get to 48 out of 48. So there we go on that one. And then finally, on the right here, what happens in this situation? Okay, so we have 50 tickets, 49 tickets, and so now we've got 48 tickets remaining. Okay, because we're doing without replacement. Okay, what happens if we, on this left-hand situation here, so we lost, and won. So, how many chances of winning here? We've got 5, okay? Still 5 chances of winning, and then we've got 43 there. Okay, and so this is showing all of the probabilities of winning 1, 2, 3, or none, no prizes there, okay? Just as a an exercise here, a win, like the probability of winning 3 will actually be 5 out of 50 times by 4 out of 49 times by 3 out of 48, okay? And that would be the probability of winning 3 tickets. All right, 3 prizes. Okay, thank you.